Hey guys, this is Gibran Sayed.
Mrnmrsweddingplanners Sayed.
And these are the Sayed family.
We are going to Dubai.
We are going back to Dubai, or
We are going back to
We
Dubai.
are at the airport.
we are at the Shamshabad airport, the Hyderabad airport, and
Early morning, it looks beautiful.
yes, काफी अच्छी feeling आ रही है. And finally, we are going back to Dubai. That is something else. So अभी आप अब हमारे वीडियोस देखेंगे दुबई के, तो दुबई के फूड रिव्यूज एंड दुबई की लोकेशंस एंड दुबई बैक टू दुबई.
और ट्रैवलिंग भी बताते हैं रास्ते में कैसा है, कोविड टेस्ट और जो एयरपोर्ट है, जो फ्लाइट फूड है. Just
Yeah, we are very excited. Emirates की फ्लाइट है. We have always traveled in Emirates, I believe.
yes, Emirates.
ऐसा कभी हुआ नहीं कि Emirates से हट के कुछ और फ्लाइट हमने ली है. Just because the service is good, you know, and the feel is good.
Like, share and subscribe our channel. Bye guys. Bye.
Stay tuned. So guys, finally we are here. We have checked it already online, and we are at the airport, the Hyderabad airport, and now it's just 9 o'clock now. The flight is around 10, and we're just waiting. There was a funny incident happened at the airport. So apparently there is a Tollywood, a Telugu actor whose name is वो actor का नाम है Prithviraj, and people were actually taking my selfie, and they thought I'm a Prithviraj actor. So yeah. So good news, I just got the permission from the ground crew and the Emirates staff, so I can check in before all the passengers can go inside. और मैं आपको बताता हूँ अंदर से कि कैसा दिखता है, and let me just show you the business class, economic class और first class क्या difference होता है, and what kind of services these guys are offering, और you know कैसा ये लोग करते हैं काम अंदर. थोड़ा सा उनसे बात करते हैं. एक 5 मिनट पहले हम लोग चेकिंग कर लेते हैं, 5 मिनट पहले अंदर बोर्डिंग एक्चुअली कर लेते हैं before all the passengers go in. So yeah, that's something new, and that is something different. कुछ नया experience करते हैं. So you guys will be happy to see that. So boarding is gonna start just in 10-15 minutes now, so I can just have some breakfast क्योंकि सुबह से कुछ खाया नहीं है, और यहाँ पे एक रेस्टोरेंट है, वहाँ पे खा के देखते हैं. यहाँ से फूड रिव्यू करना शुरू करते हैं, और this is the restaurant. वहाँ से कुछ देखते हैं, ऑर्डर करते हैं, और let's see what these guys are, you know, selling and क्या क्या दे रहे हैं लोगों को, क्या खिला रहे हैं, कैसा जायका कैसा है. यहाँ से फूड ब्लॉग करना शुरू कर देते हैं. अभी करते हैं एयरपोर्ट की फर्स्ट इटली का रिव्यू, द वेरी फर्स्ट वीडियो एक्चुअली एट द एयरपोर्ट. और खा के देखते हैं. I'm gonna try with the chutney, the white chutney जो आती है इसके साथ में. I just love it. और मुझे ज़्यादातर आप तो you guys नहीं हो कि मुझे वैसे भी हाथ के साथ खाना अच्छा लगता है. बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम. The इटली इज़ वेरी फ्रेश, और जो चटनी है काफ़ी रिफ्रेशिंग है, अच्छा टेस्ट आ रहा है. एंड चटनी में वैसे ज़्यादातर देयर इज़ कोकोनट, देयर आर डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ स्पाइसेस एक्चुअली, थोड़ा सा ग्रीन चिली भी इसमें डालते हैं. काफ़ी अच्छा टेस्ट आ रहा है, काफ़ी रिफ्रेशिंग टेस्ट आ रहा है. साउथ इंडियन डिशेस में वैसे भी मेरा फेवरेट जो है वो है ये डोनट. दिस इज़ कॉल्ड वड़ा, एंड गरम है, स्मेल बहुत अच्छी आती है इसकी. आई जस्ट लव इट. इसको मैं सांभर के साथ, I'm just gonna try with the sambar now. Let's see how the sambar tastes. See, sambar में क्या होता है? There is some sweetness actually in the sambar, and I just love that. The sambar बहुत ज़्यादा tasty होता है. I just love sambar. दोनों मज़े के हैं, बहुत अच्छे हैं. And it doesn't cost you much. It costs you only 150 rupees only at Hyderabad airport. काफ़ी पेट भर के आप खा सकते हैं. There is idli, there is vada, there are dosas, there are upma. So typical South Indian breakfast you will get it at the airport, and it's very good. The plan was to do the Karachi bakery food review, but the Karachi bakery is under renovation now, so we couldn't do it. So I'm just doing the food review of this restaurant. इसका नाम है Indian Paradise. अच्छा है, I love it. So guys, the boarding have started, and I am the first passenger who is going inside. As you can see, आप देख सकते हैं कोई नहीं है. I'm the only one. और look at that, सब जने ऊपर है. Everyone is upstairs, and I'm going inside first because I just want to show you which is working. So before going inside, just want to see the security is here. Kids are here, mashallah, and I am going inside. Look at that. This is my favorite aisle. I love this. That's Indian Airways, and we will be boarding to Emirates Airlines. It's kind of like my first vlogging actually here. And see, that's the airlines. That's the airplane. Can you guys see? That's the airplane we will be traveling in. The flight journey is only for 4 hours, and I'm very excited. So I'm just gonna show you how these guys are working. Security is here to check me in, so I have to say bye. Look at this. So this is the first class. Starts from there. It is so luxurious. Look at the things which these guys are offering, man. Wow, man. Wow, love Emirates. You got your own TV, you got your own mini bar there, a huge screen, a lot of buttons, a lot of system actually there. And this is the business class. Now we are entering the business class. That's the business class here. And from the first class we are entering inside the second part of the business class. That's the business class. Looks so cozy here. This is how the economic class looks like. Look at these seats, man. I mean, a lot of seats here. I love this aircraft. It's just Boeing 777 here. Love it. So guys, finally we are here inside the aircraft, and it's beautiful, and I just love that feeling, you know, the flying feeling, especially with the Emirates Airlines, because I've been traveling with them since quite so long actually, almost 20 years now I've been flying with them, and I just love the service. Now abhi dekhte hain ki khana kaisa hai and what kind of food they are going to serve, and I'm gonna do the food review of Emirates Airlines food. So dekhte hain kitni rating milti hai Emirates ko. Usually khana to acha hota hai, but it depends what menu actually today they are serving, so it depends kya dene wale hain. Within the hour, I think once you do the takeoff, then within an hour they start serving the food. So let's see kaisa hai food. So guys, the food is here. Dekhte hain isme kya hai. Let's see what is that. Thoda sa isko open karte hain. The starter, I don't know what is that. And here we have some sweets. My favorite, this looks very delicious here. And the main meal, just my hand. We got chicken tikka masala today. Let's take the first bite. Merani wala first plate mein baith ke.
Oh wow. Go really well. And the chicken is very soft. It's very thin. This chicken and the rice is very good. There is cashew also. Isme cashew dala gaya hai andar. Look at this. Look at that. It's not spicy. It's not salty. Flights mein actually वैसे बनाना पड़ता है.
So the flight is going pretty smooth, and the food was good, and overall I'll give 3.5 to the food. It was very tasty. Sweet, it was okay. I mean, I can't say great, but it was just okay. But I really like the chicken tikka masala. The rice, the basmati rice was really good. And now my favorite, and I think काफी सारे लोगों की favorite है black coffee. I love that aroma actually of black coffee. काफी खुशबू और काफी refreshing, right? और वो kick वाली एक kick लगती है whenever I drink this black coffee. मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है black coffee. And I hope you guys have liked my today's video. This is my very first travel vlog, food vlog, comes vlogging. It's a package of everything. So I'm really loving it because it's been a while. काफी टाइम से हम लोग इंडिया में रुके थे. The kids were bored. The family was really missing Dubai. So I'm really loving it. And back to my normal life, inshallah ta'ala. That's what I pray for, and I ask every one of you also to pray for me. कि वापस फिर जो ज़िंदगी थी दुबई में वो फिर से वापस चालू हो जाए, you know, and the time, the activities, the things which we used to do, we really miss it actually a lot. So now finally we're going back to Dubai, and I'm just hoping for the best. I hope जो business हमारा बंद हो गया था, जो जॉब थी, जो टी-पॉप की जॉब थी जो 10 साल से, वो जाने के बाद काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें, काफ़ी सारी लाइफ में उतार चढ़ाव आ गई थी. So hopefully I have very good and very positive feeling actually about this trip, and I hope inshallah कामयाब होगी, ट्रिप कामयाब होगी इंशाल्लाह ताला. ये guys, welcome to Dubai International Airport. We have just landed, and we are going to collect our baggages. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है काफ़ी महीनों के बाद. Back to your place, back to your city. Feels good. एक अलग feeling आती है. I can't express that. I mean, I don't know if you guys can understand what I'm saying. People who can relate, they will understand actually what I'm saying. It's a different feeling, you know, when you're back to your own city, where you have lived your entire life. And this place is something, it gives everyone actually something, you know. There's a lot of memory here. When you spend your entire life, your childhood, you just miss this. I was literally missing this place. There are some misconceptions actually which people are, you know, making up. They're making up stories actually. They think that, and they are spreading this rumor that Dubai is charging for the COVID test when you arrive at the Dubai airport. It is completely wrong. It is false. These information is false. This is what they try to do. But people need to change. People need to, you know, stop doing that actually. Dubai does not charge for any COVID test. It is completely free of charge. So when you arrive at the airport, there is this place which I have already showed you. There is this place जहाँ पे कई सारे लोग होते हैं, कई सारे, you know, those youngsters, those medical students, those doctors actually, you know, putting their life in danger. I mean, these guys are the one. Don't trust anything which you see on YouTube or any of these social platforms and social media. So you need to come here, and I'm telling you, you can believe me, I'm telling you that they don't charge anything. It is completely free of charge. Just come to Dubai, enjoy Dubai. Dubai is welcoming everyone, like when the whole world was closing their doors, but still Dubai was helping everyone with the proper precautions actually. Dubai has always been like that. They are very strict when it comes to hygiene, cleanliness and all these kind of stuff. So just come to Dubai and enjoy your stay. Guys, I'm out and very excited, very pumped up, and I am with my cousin. He came to pick me up और बहुत मजा आ रहा है, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. I'm going to introduce him. His name is...
Hi guys! Welcome to Dubai!
So I'm back. I'm very excited, guys. I missed you all, man. I missed you, Zubair.
Wallah.
Habibi, I missed you, Habibi Zubair.
Seriously.
Oh, we are going towards the hotel. Zubair have come to pick me up, and mask यहाँ पे हमेशा पहनना बहुत अनिवार्य है. अनिवार्य है?
Something.
क्या है? अनिवार्य है.
Yeah.
अनिवार्य है. So good to be back. I feel good. It's a different feeling, you know. I'm coming back after almost. So I'm coming here after 6 months, you know. You know that?
Yes, of course.
It's
I
a
know
long
that.
time, man. It's a long time. Oh yes.
And actually the time is really fast.
It is flying like anything, man. तो यहाँ पे बहुत सारी वीडियोस होंगी, बहुत सारी रेस्टोरेंट्स होंगी, बहुत सारे खाने बताया जाएंगे आपको भाई लोग, बहन लोग, I mean जुबैर की बहन लोग. Yes, very excited, very
By the way,
excited.
he's my cousin, so मेरी बहन इनकी बहन.
Yes. वो तो सही बात. We are here in the hotel. This hotel is called Beep. I'm not gonna tell you. Then he will come and meet me at my hotel. I don't want to get this up. So the room number is 260. It's in the Dubai area. I'm not gonna tell you that. So अभी जाते हैं अंदर जाते हैं जाके देखते हैं कि रूम कैसा है कितना अच्छा है कितना खूबसूरत. It's a 5-star hotel. I'm expecting they're giving something better. I mean the bed, especially the bed. Usually I like the beds actually and the washrooms. When you check into any of these 5-star hotels, you wanna see the washroom and the bed. I'm excited. Come inside. Ding 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 ding. Ding 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 ding. Light लगाना पड़ता है. Some more lights. That's it. That is max, I guess. Yeah, that is max. So this is our room for a few days now. दुबई आए हैं, so I thought दुबई आए हैं तो I thought let's just take a room and उसके बाद फिर घर जाते हैं, यहाँ पे थोड़ी देर रुकते हैं और उसके बाद घर जाते हैं, थोड़ा सा रिलैक्स हो जाता है इंसान. और काफ़ी अच्छी डील मिली एक्चुअली. I booked it through booking.com. This video is absolutely not sponsored by hotel or booking.com, but I'm just saying, I'm just giving you information. So the COVID test was free. There are a lot of misconception and wrong information people are giving. The COVID test at the Dubai airport was absolutely free. So don't fall into those traps actually. जो लोग बोल के आपको रुका रहे हैं या फिर डरा रहे हैं कि भाई दुबई पैसे ले रहा है and all that. Don't fall into that. So stay tuned. So Zubair, you are happy to see me?
Of course I am.
Yeah, he's my younger brother, my small younger brother, the youngest brother actually among all brothers and sisters. This boy is called Zubair. And he is our Atif Aslam. Not Atif Aslam actually. The Shahid Kapoor. We used to call him the Shahid Kapoor and he used to love Shahid Kapoor also. Yeah,
So
he
first of all, I'm really happy. I'm definitely gonna do a lot of things over here.
Yeah.
But right now,
You were missing me?
of course I was missing you.
Yeah. You can look at the lens, you don't have to look at me.
I'm actually not used to it, but I will be right.
Yes, definitely.
So definitely we're gonna do a lot of entertainment, lot of activity. So stay tuned.